Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, we have done up to exercise H in the last class. That was match the following. So we have done that. Now we are on to the next exercise. That is I. We have to write one word for the following statements. So now look at the first one. A state in which a body does not change its position with respect to the surroundings. So when the position of a body is not changing with respect to the surroundings, then that body is said to be at rest. Okay, or you can say this is definition of rest. You can write rest. Okay, one word is rest. Okay, a state in which a body changes its position. Now here the position is changing with respect to the surroundings. So that is the definition of motion, or you can write motion here. Okay, now the third one, a motion in which all the parts of a body move through the same distance in the same time interval. So that is translatory motion, you already know. Okay, now fourth one, a motion in which objects move along a straight line. So that is translatory only, but two types are there. One is rectilinear. When a body is moving along a straight line, that is a rectilinear motion. Okay, so write rectilinear. The next one, the back and forth motion. Okay, when a body is moving at the same path back and forth, repeating the same motion, then that is called oscillatory motion. Now the sixth one, a motion which repeats itself after regular interval of time. So here motion is repeated at a fixed period of time. Okay, so that is called a periodic motion. Okay, so time is same and it's repeating the same motion for the same time. So that is periodic motion. A pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds. So that is a seconds pendulum. Okay, it's not given in the book, but it's called a seconds pendulum. Okay, because okay, you will come to it later in detail about this pendulum. For now, just write seconds pendulum. A pendulum having time period of 2 seconds. That means when a pendulum is taking 2 seconds for one oscillation, then that is called a seconds pendulum. Okay, so these are the objective exercises we have to do. Okay, now uh, question answers we can do later. Okay, you can find during your holidays. Okay, so just find these answers, otherwise okay, okay, at least you can write the definitions. Okay, almost all the definitions are given in your book, so you can find them and write them, except velocity. So you can leave velocity, I'll explain it later, I'll tell you myself. Okay, so except velocity you can write all the definitions. Okay, all are given in the book, so there is no problem. Okay, question answers also if you find them, you at least try to find. Don't write them, but at least find in the book if you can find. Otherwise, I'll tell you after the holidays. Okay, so but this is your holiday homework. This you have to do. Okay, this is your holiday homework. You have to do it. Now, one more holiday homework I am giving. That is just here. Look at this uh, paper. Just make a table like this. Okay. In the first column, write types of motion here. So rectilinear, curvilinear, these are translatory motions, two types. Then rotatory and oscillatory, vibratory and periodic. Here you have to write 5 examples for each. Okay. So find 5 examples of each type and write it here in a like this. Make a table in table form. Okay, that is your holiday homework. And remember, don't copy from each other, and your examples should not match word to word. Okay, you have to try to find yourself. Okay, don't copy from book also. You try different examples from the book. Okay, try to find what you have seen in your practical. Okay, not all the examples you will find practically in your daily life, but uh, you can find at least some. So try those examples which you have come across in your daily life. Okay, so do these. This is for your holiday homework. These definitions and this table. Okay, these two are your holiday homework, and you can find the question answers also, but that is not your holiday homework. Okay, these two are your. Okay, now uh, okay, in the next video I'll explain these short answers. Okay, so this I'm making another video.